Why is my DreamStation power supply making noise? Have you ever wondered why your DreamStation power supply is making noise? If so, you are not alone. Many users of continuous positive airway pressure machines experience this issue. Understanding the reasons behind the noise can help improve your therapy experience. First, let's talk about wear and tear. Over time, the internal motor or fan in the power supply can wear out. This wear can lead to humming, buzzing, or other mechanical sounds. If your device is older, this might indicate that the power supply is nearing the end of its life. Next, consider electrical or mechanical issues. If the power supply is faulty or damaged, it may produce unusual sounds. Loose parts or electrical interference can cause these noises. Sometimes, the power supply might not detect the resistance of the center pin correctly. This detection is essential for the DreamStation to recognize its power source. Connection problems can also lead to noise. If the connections between the power supply and the machine or wall outlet are not secure, you might hear sounds. A loose or damaged power cord can create electrical noise or intermittent power delivery, which the device may reflect audibly. Environmental factors play a role too. Vibrations from nearby devices or placing the power supply on an unstable surface can amplify noise. Other electronics nearby may also interfere with the sounds coming from your power supply. Lastly, some noise is normal. A low-level hum during operation, especially from a cooling fan, can be expected. However, if you notice excessive or new noises, it is worth investigating further. To address these issues, start by inspecting and securing all connections. Make sure all cables are firmly plugged in and undamaged. If the noise persists, consider replacing an aging or faulty power supply with an official Philips Respironics replacement. Using non-original or incompatible power cords can lead to detection errors and noise. Always opt for manufacturer-recommended power supplies to avoid these problems. Regular maintenance of your equipment is also essential. Cleaning and inspecting your continuous positive airway pressure machine and accessories can help prevent issues that might cause noise. If you still hear noise after trying these steps, it may be time to consult professional support. Contacting Philips Respironics customer service or your sleep apnea healthcare provider can ensure you receive safe and effective therapy. Addressing power supply noise is vital for maintaining restful sleep. Unwanted sounds can disrupt your therapy and affect your sleep quality. By understanding the potential causes and taking appropriate action, you can enjoy a quieter and more effective therapy experience with your DreamStation CPAP machine.